G'day everybody, my name's Greg and welcome to Poppy's 3D Prints. Now this is my first ever YouTube video, so it's going to be an absolute shocker, but just bear with me. What I'm going to show you today are 5 things that I printed for my granddaughter's birthday. She turned 4 on the weekend, and these are the 5 things that I printed. The first one, once again, you've got to identify who that birthday girl is. So, good old headband, birthday girl headband. Now this is printed on my Elegoo Neptune 4 Max. Took about 35 minutes to print, and then the print was by Sparky. Now I will add the links into the description of this YouTube video and see how we go from there. Now this fitted her. She wore this all day. She absolutely loved it. It does fit adults and children. She wore this, as I said, she wore this all day running around. I think she also took this to preschool the next day, and wore it again to make sure she got presents off all her friends. Now, naturally, if you're going to identify who your birthday girl is, you've got to identify how old she is. Now, this is just a very quick brooch saying that she is 4 today. Now, this was done by Mardo. Took 26 seconds on my Anycubic Cobra 3. You can print these off without using names, but I actually did use names. The way this works, you've got another the backing to it. It goes onto the backing, goes inside the shirt. Grab the badge, and then just click it straight in, and it'll sit there. Once again, she absolutely loved this. Wore it all day as well. All right, the next one. Naturally, the very thing you need to do once you identify the birthday girl with her headband on, how old she is. The other thing I did was print off these little numbers here, so everyone knew she was 4 as well. With the articulated legs, absolutely loves it. Sits in a little bench quite perfectly, and away you go. Now these are done by Ada and K3 Delta. Took you about an hour and 15 minutes to print a 100% one. Naturally, I printed it bigger because I could and I wanted to. This is actually 200%, which is about 1200 millimeters high and is quite good. Once that took about 3 hours to print off, being a lot bigger. I actually love these things. Think it's that cute. Showed my wife this and said, "Look at this! What I've actually done for a granddaughter." And she went, "Wow, that is fantastic, but can you print off in different colour?" Once again, silly Poppy, done in the wrong colour. So naturally, I did that. Have I made it bigger? Now this is at the 300% size. Absolutely fantastic. I still got the articulated legs, but this took about 10 hours to print. Printed it off on my Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus because it's for the bigger bed. It sat there, no dramas with the print. Love it. Everyone that saw it absolutely loves it and fantastic. And once again, main thing was that the granddaughter loved it, and so she took this to preschool as well to show all her friends. Now, the other thing you also need, obviously, is the cake and the topper for the cake. So she wanted a Minnie Mouse theme originally, so I started printing out all these Minnie Mouse themes for the cake topper, and this obviously just sticks straight in the cake. Until about day 4, and she wanted to do a Mickey Mouse one, a Minnie Mouse one anymore. She wanted a Mariah. So I didn't have time to print it off, so we didn't do it. We went out and bought the dolls for her instead. But Minnie, this is done by 3 Devil. It takes about an hour and 40 minutes. It's also printed on the Anycubic Cobra 3. And you will need the aims to do this, as it takes the 3 colours to print out and change, okay? We're not going to use it. We're now going to use this for my next granddaughter. She turns 1 in August, so we'll actually give her a Minnie Mouse cake in August. The other thing that we also did for her was printed off a whole heap of Minnie Mouse labels. Did them in different colours as well, in red. This one here you will need the aims for, but obviously the red you can do single. Once again, printed on the Anycubic Cobra 3. And then at the end of the day, I actually went across the top of it and put some resin on the top of it, which made it come out nice and shiny and quite good. Did them all different colours, so we actually have a whole heap of them. But once again, never got to use them because we changed the theme cake to Mariah. Now, I know I did say 5, and the 2 4 numbers and the cake top was all part of one. The last thing you need for someone's birthday party, naturally, is the cake. This is the birthday cake I printed for the daughter. She absolutely loved it. Comes in 6 pieces. Take the top off, away you go. The numbers she can print off any numbers you want and change those numbers as required. She absolutely loved this. This was printed, the cake was designed by PLFR. Took, unfortunately, 10 hours to print. Once again, on the Uni Cubic Cover 3. Now, you don't need to have an Ames to do this. You can, the cake itself, the top layer, the candles do come off, come out, they fit in snugly. The top layer, the hair, you can actually change, set the filter change on the slicer so you can change the colour at whatever level it needs to be done. Also with the candle, once again, you can print them off, and then once it gets to change the colour, stop the printer from printing with it by the layer, then change your filament if you want to, and away you go. So it can be done just without an Ames or with an Ames. I did do this with an Ames, and it came out fantastic. She loves it, and I have not stopped having cake since I've done this. Every night I've now got to have cake with my granddaughter because of the birthday cake. All right, they're the 5 things that I printed for my granddaughter's birthday. She loved them. Everyone else that saw them really did like them and thought they were fantastic. It really made her day. So please, I know this is the worst video you've ever seen, but please subscribe, press a like, or unlike in this case because it's a shocker. But thank you very much for your time, and I'll be back next time with more stuff that I printed for my granddaughter on Poppy's 3D prints. Talk to you later. Bye.
Here you go, my dear.
Wow, thank you.